So I've just arrived home, and there's a little present from Tesla on my front doorstep. Look at that. Now, why my wife didn't grab it and why they didn't ring the doorbell is a whole nother question. But this looks like a Tesla referral prize. Pretty awesome, isn't it? We'll catch you on the flip side with this. We'll take a look at it, and looks like it'll be fun. Okay, so today we're looking at the referral prize wall connector. I showed you outside when I got home that it was sitting on the front porch, and here it is. So on the side they had a FedEx label, and it says, let me come around here, sorry. It says my name, the address, part number. It says Gen 2 matte black high power wall connector, North America, referral only. Now we're going to go ahead and open it up. Okay, so underneath this cover, you have your mounting hardware, your plugs for weatherproofing, your adapter, the wall adapter, or post adapter. You use it for certain installations where you've got this going on, where you've got the bracket. Alright, and then you get all your manuals. All of this stuff is the same as the regular wall connector that you can order from the website. But what's different is the paint scheme and the Elon signature. So this one is matte black instead of the gloss gray or the gloss black that's available on their website. And then it's just got a stamped or etched Elon signature. Everything else about this part is the same as the commercial units. There we go. What I'm looking for here is the handle. That's the only other difference. And this is the 24-foot variant, so you've got plenty of cable to work with. There we go. So the other major difference is that this handle is matte black as well. It's got the same flexible button as the one that you'd see at the Supercharger or on the gloss models, but it's matte black. As Marquez Brownlee would say, matte black all the things. I want to thank everybody who's used our referral codes so far, and I'd like to be able to keep doing this. So if you'd like, If you're in the market for a Tesla, currently they're giving away either 6 months or 9 months of free supercharging, depending on whether you test drive a vehicle first or not. If you do not test drive, you get 9 months. If you do test drive, you get 6 months. And this particular model, or this particular unit, came from the referral prize that we used when we bought our own car from ourselves. But we have more prizes on the way from other people who did use our code, and can't wait to show those off to you guys as well. Again, thank you, and we'll catch you next time.